So we have several types of systems. Okay. Maybe can you cite one example of the system that you know? Okay, one example that we can cite here is the water system, solar energy system, okay? Law system. There are many man-made systems, political systems, educational systems, economic systems, vehicle systems. There are many, many, many. And these run maybe from simple systems to complicated systems. Some we find that maybe some systems also, they could be closed systems and open systems. Meaning that those that are closed systems, meaning that the parts that are within, they don't like open to others. It's just within themselves or within the parts themselves. But for open one, this is where maybe others can also come in. For example, if it is education system, maybe other partners can come in now also to help in terms of decision making, planning, and so on, to achieve the goal of the organization. So you may ask, what are the characteristics of the system? So we are saying that every system, whether complex, simple, material, or artificial, are built around. So the main characteristics of the system is one, it contains different elements or parts or components that, together, they work together and produce a result. So a system usually, we are saying, is a relative term, especially in the classification. So a system basically is classified as either could be supra-system in a given situation or subsystem. So a subsystem, that is something that is part and parcel of the major system. For example, you have energy system. Then within the energy, we can come and say we have renewable energy system. Maybe under that we may have maybe solar system within the energy system. That is what we talk about when we say sub. There's a sub. It's part and parcel of the major one. Supra, there we are talking about something bigger of the system. That is a bigger one, the larger. Maybe, for example, we can take over the organization itself. Further, we are saying we are going now to talk about the instruction system. Instruction system basically is a term or a concept where it refers to the system. This is the same definition. We are saying it is planning, designing, it's a systematic way of planning, designing, implementing, and evaluating the entire teaching process. This in order to achieve the results. It may sometimes be very difficult, especially if the elements are not working together. So now when we talk about education system, there now we are talking about what are these elements, what are these parts, or what are these components that constitute the education system. Then here we are talking about the teacher. Okay, we are talking about the teacher as one of the important component. 2, we are talking about the learner. 3, we are talking about the media, or then the media, the methods, as well as the strategies and objectives for that particular system or education system, for the sole purpose of producing learning.